Hello, my name is Ahmed Mohammed and I'm a first-year computer science student at the University of Western Ontario in London, Ontario. I'm one of the Microsoft student partners here at Western and will be giving you a quick tutorial on how to use Microsoft Azure's Custom Vision Artificial Intelligence. So basically what that is, it's a cognitive service provided by Microsoft that lets you build, deploy, and improve custom image classifiers. An image classifier is an AI service that sorts images into classes, or in this case tags, according to certain characteristics. And it uses machine learning to do so. So what we're going to be doing is teaching a computer to tell the difference between a pair of pants and a t-shirt. So first of all, I'm just going to show you guys that as students at Western, you do have $100 free credit for Microsoft Azure. So I'll put a link in the description that gives you access to this. So what you'll do is you go to this link that I provide and you'll click activate now, and then you'll be able to log in using your UWO credentials, and you will gain access to $100 free credit in Microsoft Azure, which is pretty cool. It's a lot of cloud computing stuff that you'll probably really enjoy once you delve into it in the future. So I'm going to start by going to this website, Custom Vision AI, and we're going to sign in using the account we made. So I agree. Oh, in this case, I also predetermined, I gave you guys a zip file in the description you're going to download, and it has all of the items that we're going to be classifying. So I have a folder called pants, and it's just going to be a bunch of pictures of pants. Then I have a folder called t-shirts, which is just a bunch of t-shirts, and then a folder called test. So what you want to do, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking these two folders and we're going to be assigning them to tags. So once I upload them onto the project, I'm going to be giving each set of pictures a tag. So the pants tag is going to be just a bunch of pants, and the picture tag is just going to be the t-shirt tag is just going to be a bunch of pictures of t-shirts, and then you'll be able to teach the computer to recognize whether or not this is t-shirt or pants, which is going to be pretty cool. So what you're going to do is you're going to go, once you've signed in and logged in with your UWO information, you're going to go create new project, and you're going to enter the project name. We're going to call this shirt or pants, and we'll leave the description empty. We're going to have this just as a multi-class. We're not going to give a multi-label. You'd use multi-label generally when you're trying to tell the difference. Like you can be like, oh, it's a t-shirt or a long sleeve, right? Because a long sleeve t-shirt, they kind of look the same for the most part, except for like a long sleeve obviously has longer sleeves. So you're going to have a multi-class. This is a t-shirt, but it's also long sleeve, if that makes sense. Or a better example would be these are jeans, but they're also ripped jeans. So there's different categories that you have to differentiate. So anyways, you're gonna click multi-class, classification, and then multi-class, and then general, and you're gonna click create project. So you're gonna be greeted with this interface here, and we're just gonna start tagging images now. So I'm gonna click add images here. I'm gonna navigate to where I have the folder. It's Vision AI video, and here it is. So we're gonna upload the pants first. Control A, open. So the tag that we're going to be giving this is just pants. So it's just going to be able to tell the difference between pants and shirts. So the tag we're giving it is pants. Upload the 157 photos that we have. Recommended is usually 30, but the more photos you get, the better your machine learning algorithm will be, because it has more to learn from. So as it's uploading here, we're just going to wait a second. And also, if you have any questions, I'm going to be leaving my email at the end of the video, and you can just email me there. So let's just wait while this uploads. When you're doing your own projects, also do make sure that you, I'll recommend that you put your pictures into different folders so you can make them organized enough that you can just go in and Control A and then just upload them all at once, so you don't have to go pick through the ones that you downloaded. You can probably find a different browser extensions that can help you just download all the pictures from Google Images and then go through and sort them. So also have a test folder. So these are the photos that you're going to be testing at the end to make sure your machine algorithm is working. So let's just check back here and see if it's done uploading. It's almost done. Let's see, a couple more seconds here. The biggest thing that okay, there it is. All right, done. All right, so now we're just going to be adding the shirts now, where we're going to go to add images up here. We're going to go to t-shirts, and then Control A, and then click open. And then here, the tag, we're just going to give it a shirt. Upload 866 files, go. So honestly, the coolest thing that I found about the custom vision AI is you don't need to know or be very good at coding to do it. So basically all you're going to need is just this service here, upload your photos, tag it, and it will work perfectly fine. The only coding you do is when you're implementing the API at the end. Alrighty, so a couple of the images didn't upload just due to like large file sizes or duplicates or anything like that, so I'm just gonna click done here. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be training the model. What that is you're teaching the computer. It's going to go through and just look at all the photos that you've tagged and then start to like learn which is which. So I'm just going to click train up here. It's usually pretty quick, so it's training. Bam, right away. It was pretty quick this time. So the precision we have is 98.8%. The recall is 98.8%. So since the image code on the t-shirts is a lot larger, the precision is a little bit higher than the pants because we have more images. So that's why the precision is a little better. It's going to be able to recall the ones from the group of photos a little better as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick test using the files that I had from earlier. So I'm going to browse local files, desktop, Vision AI video. So I had these test files here. We're going to take this Fortnite shirt and we're going to be testing it here. So yeah, right away it tells us this is 100% a t-shirt. It knows that it's not pants. So we're just going to try another one. Let's try the pants here. And yeah, this is 100% a pair of pants, which is pretty cool that it noticed that right away. So you can obviously test this by taking photos yourself and then uploading them here and testing them yourself. Later on, you can go ahead and use the REST API that's included to implement it into your own projects in code and stuff like that. So that's pretty interesting. And thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. More to come from the Microsoft student partners here at Western. We'll be holding a couple events next semester, so make sure you keep in touch, and I hope you all have a great day.